Hello friends, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style. Now if this is your first time here, please don't forget to go ahead, hit that subscribe button, become part of our home decor family, and also take a gander at some of our previous videos. We have some great ones on there. But in today's video, let's go ahead and dive on into desert minimalism. Also, head on over to facebook.com and join us at AndThenThereWasStyle. It's totally free to join. And if you utilize TikTok, follow us there as well at AndThenThereWasStyle. All right, let's hop into the video now. So, desert minimalism. It's a bit boho, a little bit modern, even maybe a touch rustic. There's a cool new style that's catching our eye in a big way, and people are calling it desert minimal. You may have caught a glimpse of it in some recent summer designs with its mix of warm desert tones and comfy, clean line furnishings and organic and natural accents. It's the perfect blend of easy and eclectic, and it gives spaces a curated look as well as a super calming appeal. So I have to be honest with you, I will be the first to admit that bringing together various design styles and all the right pieces can be, for lack of a better word, tricky. What do you pair with organic shaped side tables? Is there a good neutral color to bring in amid of a sea of white and wood tones? How do you work in pops of patterns? How do you work in pops of colors? Where do I stick a cactus? Listen, I totally get it. Just keep watching this video. I'm going to give you a lot of tips and tricks if you love this desert minimalistic style and you want to create it in your home. Tip number 1, mix in organic shapes. This is the foundation of the desert minimal look, so start there. You'll want to nail down furnishings you love that have organic silhouettes, such as coffee and side tables with curvy bases, maybe a cowhide rug or a natural leather sling chair. Then to balance the look, you'll want to offset them with more modern pieces like poofs and ottomans and sofas with soft rounded edges. Think of this approach to grouping furnishings as a warm and cool balance. For every organic element like a leather butterfly chair, you'll want to even it out with a clean lined piece like a mid-century inspired sofa. Basically, you want to provide your room with a sense of balance, a little bit of each. The one exception, lighting. You can go organic or modern here. Think a textural fixture like a fabric or rattan chandelier, or try an ultra-modern armed pendant. The only requirement is that it should make a nice statement for your room. So more tricks for you. Think warm neutrals. It's not desert minimal if there isn't a mix of earthy colors and natural tones. The key with this palette, however, is to keep to mostly warm neutrals. Think nude and terracotta, mustard yellow, and of course, dusty pinks. These hues will immediately bring to mind the arid landscapes of the American Southwest and sunsets on the horizon, giving the home a rustic vibe that still comes off as collected and chic. Last but not least, let natural materials shine. Choosing a few favorite designs made with natural materials is a great place to start with the desert minimal style. Since you want to keep the overall furniture look pretty minimal, pick pieces that really speak to you. You can try mixing varying leather and wood tones, which is a stylish way to add bold visual texture throughout the space. Alright guys, so like I asked you in every single video, please take a moment to comment down below. Let me know what you think of this whole desert minimalistic style. Is this something that you have in your home? Is this something that you could see in your home? I am all ears and I want to know all the details in the comment section. Alright guys, so I've already asked you to comment your favorite room down below. If you want to know mine, it is this beauty right here. I didn't even know much about the desert minimalistic style until I really researched this video, but I feel like this room is open, inviting, and gorgeous. As always guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with other home decor lovers, and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell. I will see you in the next video. Bye friends.